How to save a photo in TikTok. First of all, open up the TikTok application on your phone. You will then be taken to the TikTok homepage. Here you can explore and view TikTok Reels. On this page, go to the bottom right corner and tap on Profile. Here you can edit and view your profile information. Now, go to your feed and tap on the Saved Videos section as shown. Here you can find all your saved posts, collections, sounds, effects, products, playlists, and many more on TikTok. Search and open any post from here. If you want to save this photo, then tap on the share icon on the right side of the screen. Here you can view all the sharing options as well as other options below. Tap on Save as shown. Then, select Save Image if you want to save only the photo. You have now successfully saved this photo. Now, go back to your main menu and open up the Photos app. You will find the photo you just saved over here. Following these steps, you can easily save a photo in TikTok.